Don't compare yourself with others. No one can play your role better than you. People will throw stones at you. Don't throw them back. Collect them all and build an empire. Too much light can blind you. You need darkness for balance. Understanding is an art, and not everyone is an artist. Easy to make 10 friends in a year, but one friend for 10 years is special. There is always that one person who really secretly cares for you. Every pen gives a lesson, and every lesson changes a person. I lost many friends just because I stopped texting them first. Winners don't wait for chances, they take them. A few bad chapters does not mean your story is over. Yes, I am a nice person, but if you cross the line too many times, everything can change very quickly. They start missing you when they fail to replace you. Sometimes you have to live not for ego but for self respect. Once you feel you are avoided by someone, never disturb them again.